Alright, so this is my last video. This is Pathways to Success. I noticed that other people have also done this one, so I apologize if it's redundant. However, I did really enjoy it when I happened to just come across it myself. So basically it's talking about the social emotional learning resources that I think we all need, especially this year with how much of a roller coaster this year is going to be, not only on us, but the kids and their families. I know like the first month for my class, with my kids, all I'm working on is this kind of stuff, talking about how things are going at home, because some of my students are not in great situations at home where it's better for them to be at school than at home, whether it's for financial or parent issues, siblings, and so on, etc. So I'm trying to talk to them, work through it with them, which isn't always the easiest thing, especially when the parents are sitting right there. But however, the thing I liked about this website, and I do think it has its resources for everybody, you just have to really look and see what is appropriate for you and your students, whatever age they may be. For my kids, some of the things that really stuck out to me is that it just gives you little things like talking points about things to talk about and how to handle certain situations. Like, for example, something I really plan on using in the future are these two, the Coping Strategies Notebook and the Anger Management Worksheets. The coping strategies, with my students and with anyone, we all have stressors in our lives. We need to learn how to handle them. And that's a big part of what I do at school with my students, is teaching them how to handle stressful events, situations, and so on. And a notebook like this would be good because it'd be good for them to look at and have, whether it gives pictures, scenarios, ideas of how to calm down, and so on. The same with anger management. However, with that, I don't think I would print out the worksheets and give it to the kids. I think I just use them as talking points, borrow ideas and use it and reuse them in my own way. Because I do have a couple of students in my class who do have emotional disabilities as one of their primary disabilities in their IEP. And dealing with anger that comes up from frustration and from stressors in their lives, it's difficult to deal with at times. So something like this would be perfect for me. If you go down, you'll find so many other resources that I think are just fantastic to use. If you haven't given this a look, I highly suggest it, especially since of the way this year is already going and how we have to teach this year. But I do highly recommend it. Thank you.